Today I'm going to show you the Brioche left slanting 4-stitch decrease. This decrease involves 5 stitches. While holding the working yarn to the back, slip stitch 1 and its yarn over shawl, knitwise, slip stitch 2, knitwise, place stitch 3 on a holder and hold it to the front, knit into stitch 4, pass stitch 2 over, place the stitch on the left needle and pass stitch 5 with its yarn over shawl over, place stitch 3 on the left needle, then slip stitch 3 knitwise to the right needle. You can do that in one move, but I find it a little awkward to do that, so I do it the 2 moves. Now place your stitch on the right needle, pass stitch 3 with its yarn over shawl over, and pass stitch 1 with its yarn over shawl over. And that gives you the Brioche left slanting 4-stitch decrease.